When I think of governments, media, corporations, banks, we live in a distorted world. Even the stock market, nobody can even make it up. But that trust element, I suppose blockchain, I think, adds a lot of value. If you're a brand that wants to build trust, you're a brand that wants to protect your people. And I mean, when I say your people, I mean your consumers. And you want to put a layer of trust on top so you take market share. Do you think, in your opinion, business leaders really get it? And if they do get it, what is stopping them?
They started getting it. What's stopping that is that because they have so many topics that they need to deal with, and therefore, like, that's kind of slowing down. But in today, I mean, there was a World Economic Forum in Davos in 2018 that the blockchain and blockchain-based platform usage for day-to-day operation is really listed as one of the top 5 topic that all the CEOs and CIOs have in mind. When you buy a Louis Vuitton bag, or when you buy a Rolex watch, or any luxury item that you pay thousands of dollars or euros, pounds, how would you know that if it's an authentic product? Today, close to 100 billion counterfeit comes to the market every year. 100 billion. And to my surprise, when I looked at the luxury retail market, over 30 billion are online sales. So all the Burberry in UK to Gucci in Italy, Louis Vuitton in France have been losing over 30 plus billion worth of products to counterfeits. So how do you really know that this is the real product that you as a consumer knowing it? So with Yeliomo, what we're trying to do is, by leveraging the blockchain, day one of any product that you consider luxury retail or luxury product, then you can record it in the blockchain. And from that point on, that the ownership of that product, authenticity of that product can be verified by leveraging the blockchain, and nobody can touch it. Not only the first buyer is you of that Louis Vuitton bag, but when you are ready to sell your Rolex watch, your bag, or your bicycle, you will be able to tell the next person, look, this belongs to me. With a little app, you can see that how authentic it's the real product. And then I will give the ownership to you. You can claim the ownership. So the blockchain provides you that infrastructure, and the applications help the consumer to really understand if this is a real product. And in Yeliomo, one other thing we would like to do is that when you are buying that Louis Vuitton bag, or as simple as a bag of pasta, you would like to know if, first of all, that pasta coming from a farm that never used pesticides, or never used, let's say, child labor, or when the retailer purchased that pasta, they really paid the fair trade price. With the blockchain, you can record all that data into the system. So you as a consumer, when you're at the Sainsbury, Tesco buying that pasta, you'll be able to see where that farm, where is that product is coming from. 100% authentic content. Nobody can touch it, and it's also certified. And that's the trust and transparency you could give to your consumers. And so it's not, I talk about the luxury retail, but our intention is to provide that transparency and creating that trust, building that trust using the blockchain technology.
I'm going to be provocative here and say, yes, they want trust in brand, but do they really want to expose where they're getting their supply chains, how much they're paying? Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for conversations just like this.